Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Pinkin Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery in your 70mm dashcam. So what I have here is the A500s Plus. So when this dashcam's battery has been dead for quite some time, so you see it doesn't turn on any at all. And if I attempt to charge it, let's say this is connected to the car, then it powers it up itself like so.
Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
As you can see,
backup camera is disconnected.
So as you can see, every time, sometimes when you switch it on, the time and the date resets itself, so which is not good. So this is what happens when you are not charging it, and then if you leave it for a long time, and then the battery runs out, and so the system resets. So the battery is supposed to be keeping the data updated, so that if you're not charging it, it still stays up to date. But this is what happens. So this is one of the telltale sign. Now the other telltale sign is when I disconnect this wire, it will just instantly shut off, as you can see. So sometimes it will attempt to turn it on again itself, but this is what happens. It will just keep turning on and shutting off. So this is what happens when you shut off your car, and then this cycle continues, which can be annoying if you stay in the car without the engine turned on. So without further ado, let's replace the battery in it. So I bought this battery. So this can be annoying. I also don't know how to shut it off. Yeah, so it's dead now. And I bought this battery. So hopefully this will keep it alive. So this is battery replacement. Let's see. So it's a 500 mAh 1.85 watt battery, 3.7 watt. And then the tools you need is a screwdriver. And then perhaps this is the tool you will need as well. So I bought this kit online, so I'll link the link down in the video description below. So without further ado, let's unbox this. No, sorry. Let's replace the battery. So first thing you need to do is to peel off this sticker here to reveal the two screws underneath. Yeah, by any case, let me just remove this. So it's just a normal Phillips screw, and it's slightly angled. So just gonna unscrew it. Be careful not to lose your screw. So the second screw is right underneath the first screw, and it's also angled. So just gonna take this one out also. So I'm going to put a knife here, set it down, and then try to pry it out as gently as I can. This is the delicate part. So I'm just going to use my finger, try and pry out. They are pretty tough. Ooh, yeah, pretty tough, especially on the edge. Alright, pop it up with the knife at the edge. This should be much easier now. Right, now it's up, hopefully. Yep, and now we got access to it. So what we're gonna do is to just remove the same battery in here. Just gonna take it out, and then put the plug connector here. So this is actually the same battery, almost the same. Yeah, more or less the same as the original one. So this is also 500 watt, 500 mAh, but this is 1.85 watt. The one I got is also the same 1.85 watt, 3.7 volt, same as this one. So gonna just have to learn, just take this one out. There we go. Out with the old, in with the new. So I think the main challenge will be to connect the battery inside. So as the gap is pretty tight, just gonna try and push this in. And I think the orientation is like so. Yeah, orientation is like so. Then the go in. Okay, it's got in. Got in, yes. Okay, now I have it connected. Just gonna, so yeah, it's nice and easy like this. Cool. And then we're just gonna, so I guess before I put it back, I'm just gonna connect it to the power source here. Turn on. Okay, it's turning on now.
Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
So I'm just gonna
Backup camera is disconnected.
calibrate the time now. Date format, system time. So it's already 2024. Then it's, so today is 4th. And then the time now is 8. So it's at 20:51. Alright. And then I'm just gonna briefly take this one off to see if it stays on. Yep, it does, which is good. So I think what I'm going to do is just to power it down because everything is working as expected now. And put this thing back in. So just gonna put the bottom part first and then clip in the top. Oops. Just gonna push this in, yep. And then screw this back. There you have it. It's like a brand new dash cam now, so it just turns on fine now. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.